Hello everyone, my name is Vibhor and today I'm going to teach you how to read and write Excel files with the help of Python. To do that, we will be using the Openpyxl library. So this is a very powerful library where you can perform a lot of Excel based functions from Python itself. To install this library, you just need to do pip install Openpyxl, but as it's already installed for me, so it would say that the requirement is already satisfied. In case it's not installed for you, it will be downloading and then installed. So the first command is, as always, I will import it as an alias of px. Then I will be creating a variable for Excel workbook, a new Excel workbook. So I will be using the workbook command, and within that workbook I will create a variable for worksheet which is created, and I will create a new sheet within the workbook called as Python. So it's quite easy, right? You can just keep creating things, and when I press Ctrl Enter, these commands will be executed. Since I'm working in a Jupyter notebook, so I can execute a set of commands or even a single command. Now, since we are in the Python worksheet, we will be writing something down in the cell A1 of the Python worksheet. So the numerical value for cell A1 is 1,1. And let's say I write my first Excel automation. Okay, so before this I will just delete the existing worksheet, or anyways I will create it as a new name. So now I have written down the code to write a value in the first cell of the Python worksheet, and now we will save this workbook in the same location as this code, and I will name it as python.xlsx. So I haven't executed the previous one, so I will just do Control Enter and it will be executed. Then again, now you can see python.xlsx is created. So let me go back into the folder and open this file, and in the Python sheet you can see the Python Excel, my first Excel automation. This is how you easily connect and work with Excel with the help of Openpyxl library in Python. Okay, thank you so much.